Hi everyone, it's me Sal, and I'm back once again with another YouTube Loop collab group video, which is organized by Lisa Marie. I'll go ahead and link her socials below. This week I will be planning for May 6th through May 12th. This week's theme is spring, and I chose a collection by Raw Element, which is called the Avant-Garde collection. I chose this collection because not only does it fit the theme, but I feel like it brings a very cool and chic vibe to spring. I really love all of the images, the cool quotes, and everything that is part of this collection. This collection does come in a PDF format as well as PNGs. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put a link to her shop below as well as a discount code. Also in the description, I'll place a link to the next video that is part of the loop. And in that video's description, there will be another link to the next video, so on and so forth. And you'll know when you're done with the loop when you either reach my video or the video that you had started with. So right now I'm fussy cutting all of the images that I printed out in the PDF file. But remember, this collection also comes in a PNG format. So if you don't want to bother with fussy cutting out all of these images, the PNG files will work great with any sticker cutting machine. So you don't have to worry about cutting all of the images out. For me personally, I just like the look of the fussy cutting with these particular images, so that's what I choose to do. But like I said, if you have a sticker cutting machine, you can print out some beautiful PNG images, so you don't have to worry about doing what I'm doing here in this video right now. So if you'd like to see what I do with the images in this beautiful collection, keep watching. And also, thank you so much to Lisa Marie for organizing this YouTube collab loop group and for everything that you do in their planner community.